All right. It's radio station 104, Devon, Pennsylvania. Playing around with some audio sounds. Yeah, that's right. I'm over here playing around with some sounds. I don't know if this is focused or not. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. There we go. A little bit more focused. All right. And, yeah, I'm just playing around with some different stuff here. See if we can bring the bass up a little bit. No, there we go. That's a little robot-y. Take some of that out of there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Audio. Audio. 1, 2. 1, 2. Check. Hey, who do we got out there? It's number 104 out of Devon, Pennsylvania. I'm just playing around with some modulation. Got the oscilloscope hooked up and trying to figure out how to make this sucker not overdrive and get a nice sound. All right, this should be a little bit cleaner for you. Hey, who's that out there? Hang on a second. I want to hook up my my other speakers. Hang on.